once found myself in a fairy tale where summer sun would never fade, but the dancing trees above the street, painting roofs with golden beams. In golden lights, the towers were gleaming, and our friendship was slowly weaving through the timeless golden flow. Rays of morning and rococo, we found a miracle there. On a mountain high, we sang it loud and clear. We reached the moment in front of the dancing house, a song running round about. I feel this rhyme inside, its melodies easing my mind. In front of the dancing house, rising up to the clouds. Don't even ask me how, it's only music carrying us through.